Hello traders, I want to welcome you back to our FXCM YouTube channel. My name is David Londoño, I'm a trader and I also do market analysis. And today's video we'll be talking about, as we usually do, technical analysis, specifically price action reading, but we are also adding or using some indicators since a lot of you guys loved indicators on your strategies. So we want to share today something. Specifically, we'll be talking about the Bollinger Bands and how can we use them with the price action reading. This strategy is called squeezy strategy, and it basically involves waiting for the Bollinger Bands to narrow. That indicates low volatility and helps us to anticipate a potential breakout when the bands expand again. Usually traders use additional indicators like relative strength index or RSI to confirm the breakout direction. We also have another video using the RSI indicator to help us on our price action reading, and if you want to check that on our YouTube channel as well. Well, let's explain this one. So basically we will be waiting for the indicator for the Bollinger Bands to narrow, for example right here, and so we can see as it narrows, that indicates low volatility, so we can anticipate a potential breakout. For example right here in this narrowing, using of course our price action reading, we can see buy side liquidity taking just right there in place where the Bollinger Bands narrows match. We have that was taken inside the fair value gap. We already had a change on the structure right here, correct? So we'll be expecting the price to go lower in order to attack these relative equal lower lows. So once we had this buy side liquidity taken, this fair value gap formed, and the Bollinger Bands indicating just right where it forms that the volatility was reducing and we could be expecting another breakout. And why will it be considered a breakout if we are going lower? Well, we also have to think in terms of time frames. So we can see right here that we have a little higher high movement and then we break again going lower low. Right here we are on a 1 hour time frame. On a 5-minute time frame, this could be considering bullish movement, and then we had the break, and again we had everything. We had the buy side liquidity taken, we had the fair value gap formed, and then we right here could be entering our trades in order to attack these lower lows. So this could be, remember, as I always say, these are not entries ideas, right? So just examples on how to use the different indicators with your own strategies, right? So right here we could be entering our positions in this zone with this movement right here as our stop loss, because since it narrowed right there, the Bollinger Bands, we could be thinking that this might be, until the sell side liquidity was taken, this might be secured to put our stop loss. So enter here, stop loss here, take profit there. Might be a 1.51 risk reward. It all depends on your strategy, of course, and the way you want to manage your accounts and so ever. And well, this is the way we can use the Bollinger Bands with our price action reading. It's called squeezy strategy. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to share and subscribe, and also click on the like button, and I will see you on the next training session, guys.